YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And yes, I got my Ipsy Glam Bag today. So if you want to see what I got in my Ipsy bag, stay tuned. Welcome back. Yes, you know I'm excited. I went and checked the mail today and I got my Ipsy Glam Bag. I was so excited. Like, I got my Ipsy Glam box a couple weeks ago. Like, come on. You know what I'm saying? So, yes, I'm super excited to be opening up this bag because, you know, this is like my first love. It was my first subscription and I love it. So, let's just get into this and see what's inside. So, I'm going to open her up. Let's see, where does she open up at? Over here. Alright, there you go. Yes, I just got her today. I was just lounging in the house, not doing too much. And, ooh, I like this bag. It's green and sleek. Like, yes, very nice. And it feels good, too. Look at that. So, let's open her up and see what's inside. So, first thing I grabbed, let's see, is the 2-in-1 Pore Purifying Cleansing Gel. Ooh, and who is this by? This is by Shero. And so this is her. So this looks nice. Let me see if I can smell her. Yeah, she doesn't really have a scent, so I'm excited to try her because, as you know, I'm into skincare and love trying to, you know, keep this canvas nice and pretty, you know what I'm saying? Ladies, we got to take care of our skin once you start getting to a certain age, you know? So, yes, I'm excited to try this out. Next up, we have, this is by Suva Beauty. It's an eyeshadow, and it says Tumeric is the shade. Now, I got some highlighting drops from them in my Ipsy Glam Plus box this month, and the highlight was popping, boo. I put a little drop on my hand and it was just glistening everywhere. I will put that in the cards up above, so if you want to see that video and you have not seen my Ipsy Glam box unboxing, you can check it out. But this is her, very nice and pretty. So let's open her up and look at this color. Let's see. So this is Turmeric. Nice, nice, nice yellow shade. Goldy yellow. Let's swatch. Ooh, y'all know I love a goldy yellow. That's her on my finger. And we're going to swatch her right here. Oh my goodness. That is like a really goldy bronze. I mean, I didn't get a good swatch neither. But can you guys see? Let me move up a little bit. Yeah, she's just like, she's fading into my skin. It's more like a glistening. It's cute though. I like her, but yeah, it is more like a highlight. It looks like a highlight to me, and then an eyeshadow. That's how it came off. But it's really, really pretty. I probably would, this would be like a sheer eyeshadow on me, like kind of give my lids a light glisten color. But yeah. This is cute. I'll try her out. Do her in a try her video. But she kind of matches that highlight I got. Because you see, this is where she's at. Because I just blended it out because it wasn't really doing much. It's more like, it looked like a highlight to me. So let's go into here and grab some more. Next up is the Confidence in a Gel Lotion. And this is by It's Cosmetics. It's oil-free for all skin types, hydro-plumping, skin-transforming, weightless moisturizer. So it is a little bottle. And this is her right here. And I've heard stuff about It Cosmetics. I've never really had any of their products. So let's put this on my... Okay, she is very liquidy. She's like a liquidy moisturizer. Dab on my fingers, and I'm just gonna rub her right here, right over my little butterfly. Yeah, right over my butterfly. And yeah, she just seems nice. I mean, she feels really good going over the skin. No scent, just feels nice. Nothing too much. Definitely will try this on the skin. on my face. But yeah, nice little moisturizer to try. I do have a lot of moisturizer, so we'll see how this goes. But it felt nice putting on, and it's soft right there. Definitely softer than this hand. So yeah. And next up we have, let's open her up because it's in a bubble wrap. And this is a nail polish. It's called the Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Ink. And this is in shade, it doesn't say, it just says 904. But this is her. She's really cute and pretty. Nice little shade. I wouldn't mind trying this color out. You know I do a lot of pinks and stuff, but this is cute. It's like a turquoisey, it's like a blue-green. It's like a green-blue. Definitely gonna try that out on my nails. So I got a eyeshadow brush, and it's kind of the same color as the nail polish. It is a turquoise with like glitters in it. Let me read the card so I can see who this is from. It is from SLMISSGLAM E61 Angle Shadow Brush. This was created by YouTuber and beauty guru Stephanie Lewis. Is known for unique eye-catching makeup brushes that had us at the beautiful emerald green and glitter handle. But this synthetic bristled brush hugs the contours of your lids and blends pigments like a dream. So yes, I'm excited to try this out. Let's open her up. Let's open this up. Yeah, she is so pretty and soft. Ooh, I can't wait to play with her. And this is made by a fellow YouTuber. I have not watched any of her videos, I'm sorry, but I am going to check some of her videos out today once I get done filming. Her name is Stephanie Lewis, aka SLMISSGLAM. So if you don't know her, please check her video out. That is really, really cool that she is creating stuff and we were able to get that in our bag. I really think that is cool and exciting, and shout outs to her and congratulations. So yes, that's really, really nice. That is everything that I got in my bag. So I actually got 5 items in my bag, and I'm really, really excited and happy for them. The only thing that was really I don't know, a turn off, but I don't think this will be a good eyeshadow for me. I'm gonna try it out, but I just think this is more like a highlight because on my skin it gave me more of like a glisten. If you look at my two arms, you see the difference, but it'll be more like a nude or whatnot. So I guess, you know, this will be safe for me to wear to work because I try not to do too much when I go to work, you know, just try to stay on the safe side and so forth. I'm happy with everything that I got in my bag. Comment down below what you liked out of this unboxing and out of this Ipsy bag for the month of August. The bag is cute, the items are cute, so I'm really, really excited about that. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.